In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create 3D text-style typography using Canva. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to canva.com. Just log into your Canva account using your email and password. Now on the Canva homepage, just click on Create a Design button at the top right side. Here you will find several design formats that you can choose from. You can choose from YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, Facebook post, desktop wallpaper, and there are several design patterns and there are several designs available that you can choose from. Alternatively, you can click on custom size and enter the width and height as per your needs. But for the purpose of this video, I'm selecting the format as YouTube thumbnail with the size as 1280 by 720. Now let's change the background color of this design. Just click on the design and then click on color. I will select blue color. Now on the left panel, click on text. Now click on add a heading. Now just enter the text. Now resize the text as per your needs. And I will align it to center. Select the text and now change the text color. Click on font drop down and then select the font as per your needs. Now select the text again and now click on effects at the top. From here, click outline and now click on color and select the same color that we had applied to the text, which is yellow. Now click on this plus icon to duplicate the text. Now just align it so that it exactly matches with the original one. Now again click on effects. This time click on shadow. Now in the offset field, enter the value as 30. Enter direction as 30. Set blur value to 30 as well. And set transparency to 100. Next click on color and then select the color as black. And now as you can see, we have already applied 3D style text typography to our text. Once done, you can just enter the name for your design. Then click on share button. Click download. And then you can click on download button so that the design will be downloaded to your PC. So that is how you can create 3D text style typography using Canva. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.